Welcome back. The Dawn Chase continues.
आपने अपने ड्रीम पोस्टर के बारे में बताया. Now I, as a layman, thought it just had the hero, the girl, and the gun. How is it the dream poster?
I really liked. I don't know. It's not here, but my dream poster when I joined film industry, I was very good with action. I'm a gymnast and I used to run. I'm into athletes. I'm into athletics,
Yeah.
and I really. I used to be very good with all the jumps. I could do hand flips and walk on the hand and do a somersault in the air.
And hence all the stunts which you do now.
Yeah, and all the injuries. Now I do them a little clumsily because I've injured myself, so I have to be a little careful. But I still can do them. My whole idea was always when I joined the film industry that I'll be this really, how a young kid is. I wanted to be an action hero. And I always thought that I'm not conventionally good looking. So I won't get romantic roles like, say, Mr. Shashi Kapoor used to get or Mr. Rishi Kapoor used. I'm not conventionally good looking. I remember in the same studio here, I was told by Mr. Mansoor Khan that, you know what, I like it, that you're ugly. I like this meanness, so you can play Max in my film, Josh, that I did with him. So I like that fact that I'm not conventional lover boy. That's why I didn't do any lover boy films. I did Bazigar and I did Dar.
Right.
And my dream was that I should do an action film with a gun in my hand and a girl in a white singlet. Unfortunately, in the Dawn poster, it's a black singlet. I want a girl in a white singlet and me just standing, holding the gun and the girl. And I want to do an action film. I remember even Dilwale was supposed to be a film called Auzar. So I really thought, it'll be like this with a gun. I didn't hold a gun in my films till, if I discount Dar and Bazigar a bit. But I've not done an action film where I hold a gun and shoot it, and I feel I'm very good with a gun. I can turn it around, I can do stuff with it.
And with the women.
And with the women, yeah. So I really always wanted that. So finally, I didn't think I told Farhan this, but I didn't even know this poster existed. I must have shot it. I forgot about it, and one night Ritesh came and showed me the poster, and I'm like, oh, this is the poster I've always wanted all my life. So it's a cool poster. I just wish Roma was wearing a white t-shirt or something.
Awesome. So ladies, make a note. Most importantly, you just floored a couple of women when you came in, and they're crazy about you all over the world. For us and the lesser mortals who are watching the show right now, please give me 3 tips to impress and be liked by women around, and 3 things which you must never do if you want to impress them.
I think first, don't try to impress them. Just be yourself. I think that's most important, because if you're trying to enact in front of a lady, then sooner or later she'll find out you're not like that. The second thing is, which I think is most important, you got to smell nice. I think men should smell good. I hate when I'm to do fighting scenes with men who are sweaty and they don't smell nice. And I'm an athlete. All my life I've lived in sneakers and jeans and one t-shirt. And I'm always playing. But I think you need to smell good. And the third thing is that you treat a woman like a lady. You do not give her an impression that you are meeting her for any other reason, talking to her for any other reason, but from the fact that it's nice to be sitting next to her. I think if you are like that, women, I think don't like overt sensuality. I don't think women, I'm speaking from my experience, I could be completely wrong because it works for everyone. I don't think women like extraneously macho men. And the 3 things you should not do is, I think, behave macho, change your voice, and
Bass and all that.
I don't think women like that. See, women are gentle, soft creatures. They are motherly, sisterly, wifely, girlfriendly. So I think they're gentle creatures. They don't like to be, this whole attitude of women like to be controlled by men, I don't believe in. And third is, you should never, in any which way, I think, abuse a woman. I don't think when men sit in front of girls, I meet a lot of young boys and girls now, my kids included, I don't like them using the language, I don't like a girl saying it, I don't like a guy saying it, and I think you should not use bad language in front of women, however close you are to her.
And you will become the next Shah Rukh Khan if you follow that.
Yeah. So, and you got to write poetry for them.
Yes. Okay, cool. So lastly, I want to learn a dialogue from you.